23.6-kilometer length of the Indira Gandhi main canal. Is it possible to repair this length after dewatering and desilting in just 30 days? Indira Gandhi Canal is a unique man-made water structure of 650 kilometers length. Over a period of 55 years, seepage from this canal network has become an enormous problem. As a result, thousands of cusecs of water gets wasted and lakhs of hectares of fertile land has turned barren due to waterlogging and excessive salinity.
पहले हम लोग दूसरों को काम देता ये दिहाड़ी मजदूरी लाऊंता मैं आप खुद भी बाद में फिर मैं आप दिहाड़ी मजदूरी दूसरे कास्त ज़मीन भाई दूसरे कास्त दूसरे खेत में कर लागे मैं आप मतलब हमारी खेती पूरी बर्बाद होगी। मेरे बाप की 3 मरबा ज़मीन 75 बीघा ज़मीन ही पूरी ख़त्म हो गई पूरी में पानी भरी सी उस सारे।
The tons of silt deposits and weeds in the canal system have reduced the carrying capacity by 30 to 40%. This situation is appalling. Hence, with the financial assistance of New Development Bank, the government of Rajasthan has sanctioned a 5-year canal restructuring project of Rs 3,291.63 crores. As per the crop sowing schedule, the period between the last week of March after the harvest of the Rabi crop to the last week of April before the sowing of Kharif crop is available for the works, and it is just 30 days. This is the time when taking benefit of the canal closure, repair of the damaged parts of the canal to prevent seepage can be taken up after dewatering and desilting it. The Water Resources Department repaired a 7.3 kilometers long stretch of the canal in 2017-18 with the help of 23 contractors. Learning from past experiences, this year's target was increased to 23.6 kilometers, 3 times more than last year. 36 capable contractors were awarded the repair and relining works. Without wasting a day after canal closure, dewatering was started. The state government made sure that the contractors got the required 7,31,000 bags of cement, 1,08,000 cubic meters of sand, and 2,04,000 cubic meters grit without any hassle. To ensure that cement-concrete mixture reaches the lining site in minimum time, 36 batch mixing plants were set up at strategic locations. The state government put in concerted efforts to release environmental clearances for these plants in minimum time. Once the water from the canals was pumped out in 5 days, the challenging and gigantic task of desilting was started. Removing of debris, waste and silt from the 7.16 meter deep canal was done on war footing by all possible means. Relining work of bed of the canal was started in areas where the silt had been removed. A 500 micron thick HDPE sheet was laid on the canal bed before relining to prevent seepage in the coming years. A 4-inch thick cement concrete lining using paver machines was done over it. Recron fiber was used to prevent cracks in the cement concrete lining.
इसमें जो मशीन्स इस्तेमाल की जा रही हैं वो हम स्पेशल पेवर मशीन्स इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं जिससे एक कंटिन्यूस लाइनिंग और एक अच्छी कंपैक्शन के साथ में स्मूथ सरफेस हमें उपलब्ध कराती है। उस मशीन्स का उपयोग किया जा रहा है।
The bed of the canal is nearly 41 meters wide, so the relining work was divided into 3 parts. 160 transit mixers were used to maintain a continuous supply of cement concrete at the lining site from the batching plants. Where the bed was firm and could support the weight of these heavy transit mixers, they would go down to the bed. But where there was some chances of the bed caving in, precautions were taken and supply of cement concrete mixture was done through chutes from side lining of the canal. Despite a tight completion schedule and a colossal workload, the quality of the works was not compromised even one bit.
गुणवत्ता के लिए इंजीनियरों की एक बहुत बड़ी टीम, जिसमें क्वालिटी कंट्रोल की विंग अलग से कार्य कर रही है, प्लस जो एग्जीक्यूशन विंग है वो अपना क्वालिटी मेंटेन करने के लिए नियमित रूप से इनके सैंपल लेती है, और सैंपल का टेस्ट साइट पे भी होता है और लैब में भी होता है।
The Water Resource Department worked assiduously to complete the demanding task within the time frame. The batching plants were operated for 15 to 16 hours a day. A team of more than 1,600 laborers, supervisors and engineers worked tirelessly to execute the repair works. Special medical, psychological and technical trainings were organized for the labor. Arrangement of skilled labor during peak harvesting season was itself a major challenge. All basic amenities were provided to the laborers at the campsite. Every moment was crucial during the closure works. Consequently, the state government regularly monitored the works at all levels. Timely solution of the problems faced by the contractors was also done.
इनके जो 2-3 मेन मुद्दे थे, जैसे सीमेंट की सप्लाई का मुद्दा था, इसी तरह से एनडीबी की कुछ गाइडलाइंस हैं, उनको लेके इनको और सजग करना था, वो भी इनके साथ वार्तालाप की गई। इनका जो कंसर्न था कि इनको पैसा टाइम पे मिल जाएगा, तो इनको बताया गया है कि 50 करोड़ रुपया सरकार ने इसके लिए रिलीज़ कर दिया है, और जैसे ही अपने बिल सबमिट करेंगे हम हाथों हाथ इनका जो पेमेंट है वो रिलीज़ कर देंगे।
Meticulous planning, hard work and prompt and effective decision making has made a seemingly impossible task possible. Relining of 23.6 kilometers within the stipulated time frame has been achieved, and now the water from the Himalayas is flowing with a new fervor. And why not? After all, these back-breaking efforts of 30 days have made it possible to save nearly 479 cusecs of water. This will help reclaim the waterlogged and saline barren land and make it fertile. It will also increase the availability of water in 15 constituencies of 10 districts, benefiting especially the tail-end farmers of Jaisalmer district, bringing prosperity and happiness. Besides this, the surplus water available from Harike barrage during monsoons will be better utilized, which otherwise goes waste. The successful accomplishment of this year's works has assured the state government and buoyed the confidence of the Water Resources Department to double the target for next year's work to 43.28 kilometers.